Right, 4K 30, got all the tape down. I opened this to get some cool air, and when that's open, there's air going out of the bathroom. And yeah, I don't know how well this will look. I'm gonna see. Fuck. Oh shit. I just don't want my fucking phone to fall. You know what I mean? Okay. I'm just gonna leave it right there. It's a shitty angle, but I don't care. Fuck. The screw already came out. I tried to put a bigger screw, but look how loose this is. Unbelievable. And all I'm gonna use is a fucking flathead. Little flathead. Boom. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Okay. Wow. That's pretty bad. I'm gonna set the fan right here. And I'm gonna grab you. Look at that. I forgot to turn my flashlight on. And I forgot to get my, there's the little thing. It goes straight outside. So, yeah, man, look at this. That's bad. Wow. Well, oh man, that's like stuck on there. Fuck. Well, gonna get the vacuum. So, yeah. This is part 2. Okay? Peace.